Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the another portion of coordinate geometry, that is collinear points. It is a new concept, so kindly try to understand what I am telling. So shall we start the new lessons? Okay. See, collinear. Collinear what? Points. That means some points are there. We have to prove that the points are collinear or not. Collinear means, see, it is similar to line. माने के भीतर a small part, that is line, is placed na. So let's take 3 points. A point, B, C. Okay. Another take. Now we will join. अच्छा, see, 3 points, what? A, B, C, and these are A, B, C. Can you tell which is the collinear? See, these 3 points are on a line. That means A, B, C on a straight line. These 3 points are indicated on a same line. माने ए जो 3टा points अच्छी से 3टा points in the same line रे अच्छंती और chronologically और not chronologically माने से same series थांतु कि न थांतु, that doesn't matter. We have to see that they will in a line. This can be represented as, that means A for a B, B for a C. Now see, this is also a line, but they are not in a straight line. माने ए 3टा number गुट्टे line रे represent करुनाहंती. So that's why we cannot say that these 3 numbers are in collinear. Okay, we cannot write this. We can't write because see, if this B is here, then we can say that this is a collinear. Okay. Now, immediately collinear कोई बाकी. Now, we have to prove that 3 points are collinear. हाँ, A, B, C, A dash B dash C. जब इमिडिएट अच्छी collinear को represent करी परिवार, but सेमाने collinear ना नहीं किमित प्रूफ करें. बुझलो ना? देखो. अच्छा, 3टा पॉइंट ले. हाँ, ठीक है रुको. जल्दी हमें B, A, C आपको represent करिया. किमित represent करिया? गोटे लाइन नियो. एडा B, एडा A, एडा C. That means same order. एडी जेमिति अछि आपको सेमिति represent करिया. But now we will prove that these 3 points or these 3 points are collinear to each other or not. See, there is a formula. If A, B, C are collinear, then AB plus BC is equal to AC. बुझलो ना? माने देखो ए बी plus BC plus AC माने AB length plus BC length is equal to AC length. We can say that the 3 points are in collinear. टिकटली नोट डाउन करो, then further we will move. See, this is a point, this is a point, this is a point. Okay, this is what can we say? This is a length, माने AB is represented as a some length. AD कौन length को we can say what? Distance. Yes or no? अच्छा, how many parts it divided? This is a small length, what? AB. This is another small length, that is BC. Then another is total whole part, AC. Okay. Now if AB plus BC माने AB plus BC is equal to AC हेले, AB plus BC is equal to AC हेले, then we can say that the 3 points are co-linear. माने simple example रखता हूँ. AB 2, BC 3, AC 5. Now 2, 3 is equal to 5. Then these points are collinear. Okay. Now we will take some examples to show the collinear points. Okay. Write this example. Read the question. Prove that the 3 points A, B, C are collinear. What are the points? A, B, C. 3 points. C. Given 3 points are four zero. Okay, just roughly we can say these are 3 points. Okay, A the coordinates what? 0 6, B coordinate 2 3, C coordinate 4 0. What is that theorem? If AB plus BC is equal to AC, माने we have to find the length of AB, माने distance of AB, the length of BC, distance of BC is equal to length of AC. In previous class we have discussed how to find the distance between 2 points. That formula will be applied here. See, for the length of AB, A माने कौन आना? x1 y1 एडा x2 y2. देखा, only for AB, not this. Okay, for AB this is x1 y1, x2 y2. For AB 2 points these are. So formula कौन हो? AB x1 कहते हैं 0, y1 6, x2 2, y2 3. Then formula, therefore length of AB. We can write length or we can write distance. Put the formula: x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, square root, apply. x2 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 6 whole square, that is 2 square. 3 minus 6 minus 3 whole square, that is what? 4 plus 9 root 13. What? This is root 13. Now for the length of what? BC. एटा सॉल्व ना अब BC रखा एटा BC माने एटा लेफ्ट करो एटा रखला पर एटा x1 x2 is 1 देखो ए दी का को एटा x1 y1 x2 y2 एबे एटा क्लोज करो we have to find BC माने 8 स्टार्टिंग होछ so this will be x1 y1 same way x1 कितना हुआ 2 y1 3 x2 4 y2 0. Therefore what? Length of BC is equal to same formula लिखेंगे है ना. Then 4 minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square कितने 2 whole square plus minus 3 whole square is equal to 4 again 9, that is root 13. This is also root 13. Now the remaining portion is 1 length. Okay, so now we will find the length AC because 3 length we have to find what? AB, again BC and again AC, total length. So for the length of what? AC माने एटा x1 एटा x2 y2 is 1. x1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to 6, x2 is equal to 4, y2 is equal to 0. Therefore length of what? AC is equal to same formula x2 minus x1 4 minus 0 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square माने 4 minus 0 0 minus 6 कितना 4 square plus minus 6 square plus square root, that is 4 square 60, 6 square what? 36, that means 52. 52 root what? करो 4 into 13, 4 root कितने 2, then remain 2 root 13. Okay, now see देखो now length of AB कितना आसला 13, length of BC 13, length of AC 2 root 13. See, so AB plus BC is equal to AC, or 13 plus 13 is equal to what? Root 13. Root 13 is equal to 2 root 13. Therefore, so the points A, B, A point how much? Just read question, right? Then A point and C point are in co-linear. Okay? See, 13 plus 13, 213. Okay now? This way we can prove that the 3 points are in co-linear. Today this much. Tomorrow we will do the exercise sums of coordinate geometry, our state syllabus of 6A. Okay? Thank you, students.